The 2026 Tesla Model 2 is shaping up to be more than just an affordable electric vehicle. It's designed to bring everyday usability and comfort to the forefront in ways drivers will immediately notice. Tesla has already generated excitement with its clean surfacing, minimalistic interior anchored by a single central display, and clever rear seats that fold to maximize cargo space. While those highlights set a baseline of expectations, Tesla rarely stops at the obvious. Beneath the surface, the Model 2 is filled with subtle but significant design decisions aimed at making daily life easier. From wide-opening doors with double seals that close with a reassuringly solid sound, to a thoughtfully engineered quiet pack that cuts noise during highway drives, and wheels with taller sidewalls that absorb impacts while lowering replacement costs, Tesla has poured attention into details that matter in the real world. For those who value durable, low-maintenance technology that delivers long-term rewards in daily driving, this car promises to strike the right balance. The proportions of the Model 2 set the tone. Built with a short body and wide stance, the car is easy to maneuver in dense city environments while still offering an open and airy feel. Its visibility package is designed to reduce strain, both physically and mentally, when navigating traffic or parking in tight spaces. The wheelbase, kept in the range of 2,650 to 2,700 mm, ensures stability and interior spaciousness without compromising agility. Thanks to its generous steering angle, the car achieves a turning circle of around 10.5 meters, tight enough to execute U-turns within 2 lanes and weave through crowded parking areas with more ease than many sedans that require 11 to 12 meters. Ergonomics have also been carefully refined. The driver's seat is placed slightly higher than in the Model 3, by about 20 to 30 mm, positioning it between 620 and 680 mm in total height. This subtle elevation makes getting in and out of the car less stressful on the hips and knees, reduces the sensation of falling into the seat, and improves forward visibility. Slimmed A-pillars and an additional fixed triangular front pane expand sightlines, while a lower dashboard edge minimizes blind spots at intersections, helping drivers see more of what's happening at eye level. Combined with repositioned mirrors set further back from the A-pillars, wind noise is reduced by as much as 7 decibels at highway speeds, and the diagonal field of view is widened to better detect motorcycles, cyclists, or pedestrians approaching from the side. Even parking maneuvers benefit from Tesla's attention to detail. A visible front bumper reference line helps drivers judge distances more accurately, often cutting down the number of back-and-forth corrections needed when pulling into tight spots. Cargo space is equally functional. Tesla has designed the Model 2 with a 2-layer cargo floor and a wide-opening hatch that caters to everyday needs. The hatch opens to a width of around 1,100 to 1,150 mm and rises to nearly 2 meters, providing enough clearance for most adults to load and unload without stooping or bumping their heads. The load floor itself is kept low, below 650 mm, making it easy to slide in heavy items like suitcases without strain. This lower sill reduces the energy required to lift bulky objects, easing everyday chores like grocery runs or airport pickups. The upper tier of the cargo floor offers between 350 and 420 liters of space for daily essentials, while the lower tier provides 50 to 80 liters reserved for tools, charging cables, or emergency gear, keeping dirty and clean items separate. Folding the rear seats flat opens up a loading length of up to 1,750 mm, enough to fit large objects like a boxed 65-inch television or a medium-sized bicycle. Practical extras round out the cargo area: hooks for shopping bags, a bright 250-lumen cargo lamp aimed at the hand zone, a rear power outlet for accessories, and a scratch-resistant bumper guard that protects the paint when sliding heavy items. The front trunk, while shallow, offers 20 to 40 liters of space for smaller clean items, helping keep the main cargo bay clutter-free. Entry and exit have also been made effortless. The Model 2's doors are engineered to open wide, between 80 and 85 degrees, and feature 3 check detents to hold them open securely, even on inclines. The openings themselves are wide enough to accommodate passengers of all ages without forcing awkward twists, while sill and step heights are optimized for easy ingress and egress. The exterior handles are simple pull types, positioned at a comfortable height, with light resistance for natural operation. Inside, the handles give clear feedback with a short travel distance, and the latches are tuned to close quietly and smoothly with little effort. To block noise and weather, the doors are fitted with dual seals that provide superior insulation compared with single-seal designs, reducing wind noise by up to 4 decibels at highway speeds. Water management has been considered too. Drainage channels prevent rainwater from spilling into the cabin when doors are slightly ajar. Durability is built in, with hinges tested for 30,000 open-close cycles, scuff plates to resist abrasion, and an emergency manual release lever in case of power failure. These thoughtful touches ensure the doors not only perform well on day one but continue to feel solid and reliable for years. Perhaps one of the most impressive features is the Quiet Pack, a system of noise reduction measures integrated into the Model 2. Tesla has targeted the most common sources of unwanted sound: wind, tires, and underbody resonance. Laminated glass in the front doors, composed of dual panes with a polyvinyl interlayer, cut several decibels of wind and traffic noise, particularly from trucks in adjacent lanes. Felt-lined wheel wells paired with protective membranes reduce the sharp ping of stones and debris, while flat composite panels covering the underbody smooth airflow and reduce cabin boom in the 250 to 500 Hz range. These refinements collectively deliver a calmer interior where conversations and podcasts remain clear at highway speeds without needing to raise voices or volume. Supplementary seals and fillers in the body structure add the finishing touches, trimming additional wind noise at the driver's ear. The wheels and tires reflect Tesla's balance between affordability and practicality. Instead of large, low-profile setups, the Model 2 uses 16 to 17-inch wheels with tires featuring taller sidewalls in the 55 to 60 aspect ratio range. These deliver 3 important benefits: a smoother ride over rough roads, better protection against rim damage from potholes, and significantly lower replacement costs. Taller sidewalls absorb impacts more effectively, reducing jolts over bumps and keeping the steering wheel steady at low speeds. They also make the car feel more composed on highways. Aerodynamic wheel covers can be installed for long trips to improve efficiency by 1 to 3%, or removed for easier cleaning in the city. Smaller wheels also reduce unsprung weight, which improves ride comfort and grip. From a financial standpoint, replacement tires in these sizes are far less expensive, often half the price of larger 19 or 20-inch options, saving owners hundreds of dollars over the life of the car. Tesla has also selected tire specifications that are widely available, ensuring easy replacement without special orders, and equipped the car with a pressure monitoring system that displays real-time data per wheel. Taken together, these seemingly small choices transform the Model 2 into a car that feels practical, durable, and cost-effective without losing Tesla's trademark innovation. Its short, wide stance and clever visibility improvements make city driving less stressful. The cargo system works like a toolbox, organized and versatile for real-world use. Doors open wide and close quietly, bringing both comfort and longevity. The Quiet Pack ensures the cabin remains serene at speed, and the smaller wheels paired with taller tires ride softer while keeping running costs low. Every decision reinforces Tesla's goal of lowering effort, reducing noise, and minimizing long-term ownership costs. The 2026 Tesla Model 2, then, isn't just about hitting a low price point, it's about designing an EV that elevates daily life through smart, durable details. From maneuverability and visibility to cargo convenience and cabin quietness, Tesla has engineered this car around the way people actually live and drive. The result is a model that promises to deliver comfort, practicality, and affordability without feeling cheap. It's a clear signal that Tesla wants the Model 2 to become the benchmark for everyday electric cars.